guys, it's Evie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a everyday glowy kind of makeup look. I've got a few new products, so I thought I would like try them out, and I'm going to be like trying to do like contouring-ish as well with a new like cream contour thing I got, which I'll show you. I'm really excited to do this video, so I'm going to get straight into it. I really hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you do. Let's try and get it to 120 likes. That would be really amazing. And then also make sure to subscribe to my channel, which is the one you're on, EvieEllen. So I really hope you guys enjoy this makeup look, get ready with me type thing, and let's get started. Okay, so basically I have already moisturized because I wanted to leave my moisturizer to sit for a bit, because recently I've had like kind of dry skin, like especially around my nose. I don't know if you guys have the same thing, but like when your skin's dry, makeup sits on top of it and it feels like really weird for me because it like settles into the dry bits. So I wanted to make sure my skin was like half moisturized. So I don't have it with me, but I just use my L'Oreal like everyday serum moisturizer because it's really good for that. And then I also used some Marabodescu a minute ago just to like set everything down and prep the skin. So now I'm going to go ahead and prime. So today I'm going to be using a cream primer because again I want to moisturize my skin because it's literally been so dry recently because of the cold like winter. So I'm going to use the Barry Flawless Original Primer. So I'm just going to use this all over my face. So I'm going to start with eyebrows because I've been doing it recently because I always like mess up on my eyebrows. So it's going to take me a while to find the eyebrow products I need, so bear with. So I'm going to like brush my eyebrows up. So I'm just going to use my normal brow. I always get it, like my eyebrows look like okay in real life and on camera they look awful, so let's just ignore that. So I'm just going to go over my eyebrows with a little bit of powder. This one's by Freedom, it's in soft brown. Okay, so now I've done brows, I'm going to do a little bit of foundation. I'm going to mix in a little bit of my Barry highlighter drops. I'm just going to use my Techniques buffing brush to buff this out on my skin. I'm going to do some more mixing because I'm like a little artist today. I'm going to use my Naked Skin Concealer and a bit of my Rimmel Breathable and just like dot this around my face. Okay, so I've just like dotted that all around. I'm now going to try and blend it in a bit. Using the like contour stick I think I mentioned. So this is the Maybelline Master Contour Stick and I've been wanting this for ages. I'm gonna use the Barry Liquid Chrome drops again. I don't really know what shade this is in, so beam me up. I'm gonna set like my under eyes just because even though you want it to be like glowy, also you don't want it to like smudge everywhere. So I'm gonna use this white colour in my Soft Does Nails palette because it's like so good for like under eyebrow highlighting. I'm also just gonna put it like all over my eyelid. I think I'm just gonna use my finger just to kind of brighten up my eyes a little bit and to like set the concealer. So now I'm going to use some Becca Champagne Pop with a highlighting fan brush. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my cheeks a little bit because I want it to be a bit warmer. I'm going to use the Rockature blush just on my cheeks because it's nice to like flush them up a bit. I hardly ever use a blush, but I'm just going to put this on. I don't know if like you're meant to put blush on before highlight. I think you are, but it's all good. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I really think the mascara like finishes off a look completely. So I'm just going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just put that on my eyelashes. Okay, so now I'm using my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara because I quite like this when it's like on top of other mascaras because I feel like it doesn't go as clumpy. Okay, so to finish off, I'm going to use a little bit of the NYX Clear Lip Gloss, and yeah, this is just really nice. Like finishes off the really glowy, bronzy look. I've just like done my hair, not really sure if it looks alright, but I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you did. Also, I have been like quite active on my Instagram recently. It's EvieEllen, same as my YouTube name. So if you're interested in coming on and maybe come watching my lives or like just talk to me on Instagram, I'm active a lot on there. So if you want to contact me, then make sure to contact me on there. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. So down here are my, like, you can click to see my last video or subscribe to my channel, and then down here are the names of my social medias, which you should definitely make sure to check out and talk to me on.